Hello.
Yes,
Yes, how you doing?
I'm okay. How you doing?
I'm fine. Let me see if my video say mute. Oh, okay. How you doing, sir?
I'm okay. How you doing?
I'm good.
You need my video in?
No, I don't. I don't need it. I can hear you.
Please mute your devices.
Okay.
All right. So, good morning.
Good morning.
The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts, or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. You may be seated. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. All right. Good morning, everyone. What I'm going to do is try to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. Masaria. And we get Masaria in here, tell him his client is in here early today. He came in because he has phone issues. See if he can send someone to speak with him. He's in person. Is that Derek Lamont Griffin?
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir.
How you doing?
I'm well. Are we ready, Miss Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Derek Lamont Griffin, case number SP176-49051. Mr. Griffin, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Derek Lamont Griffin.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to pay $240 you paid. I'm going to dismiss your case, okay?
Thank you.
If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
There you go.
Hey, Judge, sorry to interrupt. This is Attorney Miller. I'm on my phone, so I can't really bounce around. I don't know if you gave me co-host or how I was supposed to get into the breakout room. If not yet, that's fine. But I just need moved if someone could. Sorry.
You want to go to the breakout room with your client?
Yes, please.
All right.
Thank you.
Oh, you're right. You're welcome. It's the city of Detroit versus Marquita Liddell, case number SP151-79411. Appearance for the record, please. Can you run her license, Ms. Marcus?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Liddell.
Marquita Liddell.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Liddell, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind.
I'm sorry, Judge. I paid everything off. I cleared everything.
You haven't cleared everything, ma'am. You have to clear this one last hurdle here, all right?
Okay, sir.
And hold on, maybe it may not be necessary to go into the breakout room. Were you able
I
to?
can't, I can't
Were you-
see anybody.
Okay, it's valid.
It's valid. Okay, now it's clear, ma'am. You had to clear this misdemeanor. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dismiss this misdemeanor. I'm entering not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. I want to dismiss this misdemeanor because I see you have a valid driver's license, all right?
Yes, sir. I took care of everything.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Timothy. Did you get that on file? It may be on the back of that driver's license. Timothy Liddell.
Okay, let me check.
City of Detroit versus Timothy Liddell, case number 20712324, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Liddell.
Here you go, Your Honor. Timothy Liddell.
Mr. Liddell, you have to unmute yourself, please. Is he still there?
Hello?
Mr. Liddell,
Yes,
can you state your name for the record, please?
Timothy Liddell.
All right, maybe you might want to run his license as well. Appearance for the record, Mr. Barry, you already put your appearance on the record, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, thanks.
All right, I'm gonna enter a not get, what is it, this day is date and time set for a pretrial in this matter. We may as well run his license as well,
You
too.
said Timothy Liddell?
Yeah, Timmity. Mr. Liddell, I'm still gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay,
We'll pass the matter.
okay.
Guillermo Lopez,
Hello?
good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
You need an interpreter?
Yes, please.
It's found the judge. Timothy.
Need an interpreter for Guillermo Lopez, please.
Lopez.
Is Tracy Lightfoot there? It's the city of Detroit versus Tracy Lightfoot, case number SP 1852850, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 185519992. SP 185552131. Parents for the record, please.
Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Chair Erica Harris, P72832, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
What happened to Tracy Lightfoot? You have to unmute yourself, ma'am, and start your camera and state your name. Tracy Lightfoot. Morning to you.
I'm sorry.
Is that Tracy Lightfoot?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
I can't hear you.
I don't know what to do. I'm here.
State your name for the record, please, ma'am. You have to unmute yourself, Ms. Lightfoot. All right. Did you get that, Ms. Williams-Law?
It's coming through muffled.
Yeah, it's coming through. It's very muffled, ma'am. I'm gonna. I heard it. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Ms. Lightfoot, you have an absolute right to a trial. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Mr. Lockett. Mr. Barton. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor, you and your staff.
Well, thank you. You have Jessica Lockett.
I do, Your Honor.
Do you need a breakout room with her?
I do. I was actually going to ask, Your Honor, if they could forward the PSI. If they did one, they didn't send anything to me.
Your client is here. Your attorney is here. Mr. Burton, I'm going to put her in breakout room 9. Good morning to you, Ms. Lockett. I'm going to put you in breakout room 9. He's going to come see you, okay? And this is for an OWI sentence?
Correct.
All right, Lockett needs to have her, Mr. Burton needs to have Lockett.
Barton, can you put your email in the chat so I can send it to you?
Absolutely. Absolutely. One moment. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Are you ready on Glenn? Zoom user, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Tyra Lewis.
Say that again, ma'am.
Tyra Lewis.
Tyra Lewis?
Yes. Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
You know what's funny about it?
Good morning, Judge.
Reeves. Who is that?
Detective
is that
Reeves?
Detective Reeves?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning to you. Any headgear, when you get on the record, we're gonna take your headgear off. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Detective, and you can join room number 1, or you can sit in the main session, whatever you choose.
I'll join room 1. Thank you, Ayana.
Hopefully here shortly. All right, Mr. Miller, I've already called you.
Oh, sorry, Judge. Yeah, we're ready to go.
This is the City of Detroit versus Azaria Glenn, case number U74405-226. Appearance for the record, please.
Clay Miller, P86291 here on behalf of Ms. Glenn. Ms. Glenn, please state your name for the record.
Azaria Glenn.
Thank you. Your Honor, we're here for a pretrial. We're asking this matter be set for a bench trial.
All right. Trial date will be March the 24th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Ms. Glenn, if you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay? March
Okay,
20th.
you too.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lightfoot. Ms. Lightfoot, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting a brief adjournment as she does have an appointment upcoming with the Secretary of State.
How brief?
2 to 3 weeks, Your Honor. I believe her appointment is next Monday.
All right, so let's come back on March the pre-trial is March the 26th, 2026 at 8:30. Ms. Lightfoot, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. The interpreter, good morning to you. Okay, we'll wait. Ledbetter, Lamar Ledbetter. This is the city of Detroit versus Lamar Ledbetter, case number V131522023, V131522123, V131522223, V131522323. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Ledbetter, please state your name for the record.
Lamar Ledbetter. All right, good morning to you, Mr. Ledbetter. Good morning, Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Did you pull Ledbetter's file? Okay. I'm gonna check the file and see. Have you ever requested an appointed attorney, sir?
No, Your Honor.
All right, go to the breakout room, speak with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is your Spanish interpreter. I was assigned to your courtroom.
Good morning to you.
And they didn't indicate to me who I am assisting. They have no idea.
It will be Guillermo Lopez Jr. And I can give you the case number before we start.
Yes, please.
It's SP 1763823, counts 1 and counts 2.
Do you want to put me in a breakout room with him, or is he going to see House Counsel, or how do you want to proceed with this?
He's gonna see House Counsel. Let me see if we have, he asked for an appointed attorney last time, see if that's still available. I'm gonna see if this attorney that he asked for is still available.
Very well. Buenos días, el intérprete en el idioma español acaba de presentarse en esta audiencia. Estamos verificando si usted tiene un abogado que ha sido asignado a su caso. Por favor, espere.
Ok, está bien, aquí voy a esperar.
Okay, very well, thank you. I am going to wait.
All right, let me see, this may be another interpreter, person that needs an interpreter.
Very well, Your Honor. Buenos días, ¿hay alguien más que solicite la asistencia de un intérprete? Por favor, identifíquese.
Monte Lopez.
El señor Monte López necesita la asistencia de un intérprete. Por favor, active su micrófono.
Unmute yourself.
Active su micrófono, por favor. Señor Montes López.
Montes, yo no soy Montes.
Está en la parte inferior de su pantalla. Es un dibujito de un micrófono.
Yo no soy Montes.
Monte Lopez, can you unmute yourself?
Por
State your name.
favor, active su micrófono. Señor Montes López, buenos días.
Buenos días, ¿sí ya está activado?
Sí, señor. ¿Usted necesita la asistencia de un intérprete?
Sí, muchas gracias.
He is confirming that he requires the assistance of an interpreter. Thank you very much. Yes.
And I don't see him on the docket. Does he have a case number?
Señor López, no lo vemos en la lista de causas para atender en la audiencia el día de hoy. ¿Usted tiene un número de caso?
Sí.
¿Es el número de multa? Empieza generalmente con una S y una P.
Es una P, es P 18 66 62 7.
Me dijo P 186-6627.
Sí, correcto.
P as in Paul 186-6627.
$1:30 this afternoon.
Usted tiene que presentarse hoy en la tarde a la 1:30.
¿O hasta la 1:30?
Oh, is it until 1:30?
We'll arraign him and get him another court date.
Nosotros le vamos a hacer la lectura oficial de sus cargos y de todas maneras le vamos a dar otra fecha posterior para otra audiencia.
Ok.
Have him sit tight. All right,
Quédese aquí.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Timothy Lydell. Mr. Lydell, Mr. Berry, Mr. Lydell has a valid driver's license.
Yes, Your Honor. And we would seek a trial date for the balance.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lydell?
Yes.
All right, come back on, I'll dismiss the one case for providing valid documentation. Come back on, March the 24th, 2026 at 9 a.m., okay?
March, you say March 24th?
March 24th, at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you.
City of Detroit versus Monique Giles, case number SP 185-1152, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Giles.
Monique Denise Giles.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Giles, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Pass the matter. Mr. Waski, are you ready on anyone?
No, not at the moment, Judge. I'm still waiting for the city attorney on Miss Gray Law, and I haven't seen any of the other gentlemen sign in yet, so.
Okay.
I'm patient.
Okay, very well. Okay, good morning to you on the telephone. 313-979-0845. Good morning to you. What is your name, please? Telephone 313-979-0845. What is your name, please? Good morning to you. Last time on the telephone. Hello?
Are you talking to me, Judge?
Oh, no, it's on, I just gave the number, 313-979-0845. I just let you in the room. I'm put you out. Ms. Horn, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone.
All right, city attorney is here. You have attorneys in line waiting on you. And officers on the Vortex device.
Thank you, Judge.
Vortex, can you unmute yourself? Start your camera and state your name, please. Take your hat off, please.
Move your head, sir. Thank you.
What is your name, sir? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Earl Lewis.
Earl Lewis?
Yes.
Okay, our attorney is here. Who's Earl Lewis? Who's your attorney, Mr. Lewis?
I do not remember it.
All right, he's here.
Attorney Taylor is on there. Lopez.
All right. Are we ready on anyone?
Oh, man, he's in the house. This girl left her windows down.
All right, Mr. Lewis, you're gonna have to mute yourself, please.
Oh, sorry about that. My fault.
All right, Madam Interpreter, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Well, I'm sorry, Your Honor, I was a little bit away. What did you say you need me to do?
Good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Ines Ucros, INES, Ucros, UCROS, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor, yes.
Very well. Mr. Taylor, good morning to you.
Good morning.
You have Mr. Guillermo. He needs an interpreter, and we just want to make sure that we'll allow Madam Interpreter to speak after everyone speaks. And I'll start. This is the City of Detroit versus Guillermo Lopez Jr., case number SP 176-3823, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Buenos días. Estamos presentes en el acta en la Fiscalía de Detroit contra el señor Guillermo López Jr., número de caso SP 176-33823, cargos 1 y 2. Por favor, las partes, preséntense para que conste en el acta.
Mi nombre es Guillermo López.
My name is Guillermo López.
Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Mr. Lopez.
Buenos días. Yo soy el señor Taylor, con número de registro 75166, representando al señor Guillermo López.
Hey, good morning. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant.
Hoy es la fecha y la hora seleccionada para una audiencia para establecer la orden de arresto.
Stanley waived from reading, Your Honor.
Nosotros nos quedamos mudos y renunciamos a una lectura oficial de los cargos, su señoría.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond.
Bueno, entonces yo estoy presentando una declaración de no culpable y voy a colocar una caución de $0.
Mr. Guillermo, I'm going to put you in breakout room 7. Your attorney is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Bueno, señor, entonces López Jr., yo lo voy a colocar en una sala separada, la número 7, para que usted tenga la oportunidad de hablar con el abogado a ver si tiene una oferta para usted. Pero tenga en cuenta que si a usted no le gusta la oferta que tenga que presentarle el abogado, usted tiene un derecho absoluto a tener juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación que aparece en su pantalla.
Your Honor, I don't have that file with me. Can you tell me what the charges are?
Yo no tengo el archivo frente a mí. Oh, well, he left already. So I guess I am going to break out room 7.
Yes.
Leaving the scene of a property damage accident and failure to report an accident.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ledbetter. Mr. Ledbetter, it's my understanding you want an appointed attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Ledbetter, I'm gonna appoint you an attorney. I'm gonna set the matter for a pretrial on March the 26th, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set to make sure that you get contact with that appointed attorney. I just need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you do not hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Your Honor, I didn't hear the date of the court date.
March 26, 2026 at 8:30.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Best of luck to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Alante Leonard Austin, case number SP 101-4951, 2, SP 127-5147, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 144-70022, SP 17441233, SP 174413111, SP 1776525, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Alante Leland Austin.
All right, Mr. Leonard Austin, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
And I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Austin, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Leonard Austin, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Ms. Harris, I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cases into the record. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the docket. So that would bring me to a disregarding a traffic control device that's in default. I wouldn't have any issue with allowing Mr. Austin to be heard on that if the city has no objection. And a pedestrian in the roadway, or pedestrian walking in the roadway. I think those are the two that weren't on the docket. Enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Austin, when you see the prompt join the room, you let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Are we ready on Gibbs?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
This is the city of Detroit versus Richard Neil Gibbs Jr. Case numbers SP 1601931, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court, Your Honor. This is Adam Clemens, P number 77233. Appearing on behalf of Mr. Gibbs. Mr. Mayor, so you said your name for the record.
Richard Gibbs, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gibbs, day, date, and time set for trial. Mr. Clements, there is an equipment violation as well, and it seems like he's almost paid that off. He's owes $46 of the $120 that was stated. That was in default, but nevertheless, go ahead with the, what does Mr. Gibbs want to do?
Gibbs tender a plea in this particular matters to count 2, which is disregarding the manner reported of an officer under a 3-month delayed sentence with a loudspeaker spotlight infraction being dismissed.
Your device is coming through very.
Okay. Give me 1 second.
There's a lot going on back in the background. It's coming through muffled. We can't quite make out what you're saying.
Is this better, Judge?
Better. Okay, he wants to plead to the officers disregarding and dismissing the other matter.
Yes, under a 3-month delay.
All right, you want to take the deal, Mr. Gibbs?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you get a chance to read him as advice or rights?
I did, Your Honor, and he's familiar with them.
Mr. Gibbs, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Clements went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
Oh, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
He needs an advice or rights form. All right, let me carry your attention back to October the 3rd, 2024 at around 12:43 a.m. in the city of Detroit. I'm sorry, in the area of 8 Mile and Northland Park Court. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in the area around that date and that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you had contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the officer gave you some sort of order. What happened out there?
If I may, Your Honor.
You may.
Mr. Gibbs, was there a particular point in time where the officers, although you had some differing opinion, the officers asked you to exit the motor vehicle?
What's that? I'm sorry.
Was there a particular point in time where the officers during the course of your investigation asked you to exit your motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did you exit that motor vehicle right away as they asked you to?
Yes.
Well, you'd agree that there was at least some delay. They asked you several times.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it was a delay, yes.
Okay. And you recognize that they have the authority to remove you from the vehicle right away. Is that fair?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor?
And you did not get out the vehicle, and you understood that's what they wanted you to do, right?
Yes.
But you refused to do that, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm satisfied. I'll find you guilty as to the amended count. Strike that. As charged to the disregard the officer's signal, we stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
I will, Your Honor, yes.
Set the matter for a review on June 9th, 2026 at 8:25. It'll be a 3-month delayed sentence. Do two things, sir. Pay the $240 at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. There are other ways, but those are just the two best ways to pay that. And then don't get in any other trouble. If those two things are satisfied, on June 9th, we'll dismiss the case, all right?
Okay.
And I'll dismiss the other matter now. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gibbs, Mr. Clements, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you both.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor, we're ready on Lopez.
Let's call the city of Detroit versus Dewan Alberto Lawson. Case number SP 185-22401. Appearance for the record, please. You might want to step to the microphone, both of you, please.
Frank Mysteria, P 87848 on behalf of Mr. Lawson. Mr. Lawson, please state your full name for the record.
Juan Alberto Lawson.
All right, good morning to both of you. Today is, we'll call the day-to-day time set for a pretrial, even though tomorrow is it. Have you worked anything out, or what do you want to do?
Pressing for a bench trial date,
Your
Judge.
client wants a trial date?
Yes, Judge.
Trial date, Mr. Lawson, is going to be March the 24th, 2026 at 9 a.m., okay? If there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Anything else, Mr. Masari?
That's all I had, Judge.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Guillermo. Mr. Guillermo, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Señor Guillermo, yo le di la oportunidad a usted de que hablara con su abogado. Señor abogado, ¿qué desean hacer en este momento?
Request a bench trial, Your Honor.
Estamos solicitando un juicio por juez, su señoría.
All right, that trial date is going to be March the 24th, 2025 at 2026, I'm sorry, at 9 a.m.
Bueno, entonces esta fecha programada para el juicio sería el día 24 de marzo del 2025, me disculpo, del 2026 a las 9 de la mañana.
See if that's a good date, Your Honor, please.
Muchas gracias, su señoría. Your Honor, is this trial in person or via Zoom?
It's like Burger King. They have it their way.
El intérprete está preguntando si este juicio se va a llevar a cabo por Zoom o en persona. Y esto es como el restaurante de Burger King. Usted lo puede tener de la manera que usted lo desee.
Your Honor, is it possible us to do the 25th? That 24th is not a good date.
Su señoría, ¿podría ser posible que hiciéramos esta audiencia el día 25? El 24 no es un buen día para mí.
The 26 I can do.
Yo puedo hacerlo el día 26.
Okay, the 26th works, Your Honor. Thank you.
Esto funciona entonces, su señoría, el día 26.
Guillermo Lopez, the 26th. All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day, Mr. Lopez and Mr. Taylor, and best of luck to you both.
Bueno, entonces, si no hay nada más que presentar, que tengan un buen día, señor López, y muy buena suerte para usted. Nos vemos nuevamente entonces el 26 de marzo del 2026 a las 9 de la mañana. Preséntese por la plataforma de Zoom.
El día 26 de marzo a las 9 de la mañana, ¿verdad?
March 26 at 9 o'clock in the morning, right?
Yes, don't miss it.
Sí, señor, no puede perderse de este juicio.
Ok, muchas
no puede
gracias.
faltar. All right, thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Que tenga un buen día, señor. Ya se puede retirar.
All right, let's go back on the record. I'm going to get you out of here shortly, Miss Madam Interpreter. Let's go back on the record with Monique Denise Giles. Mr. Barry, I've given you an opportunity to speak to your client. Mr. Giles, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of a people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the disregarding a red signal, the no insurance matter to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Giles?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
I'm finding you responsible, Ms. Giles, to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay?
Can you give me 30 days to pay it?
Pay it by April the 9th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
You said DivDat app?
Yeah, DIVDAT.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, Ms. Giles, best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus David Mark Goldberg, case number U51530719. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Goldberg.
My name's David Mark Goldberg.
Good morning to you, sir. Day of date time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, we will waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Goldberg, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record. What happened to Mr. Leonard? Fell off, Ms. Harris?
He was still here, possibly.
Yeah, he did. All right, any other retained counsels ready? All right, let's move on to.
I'm sorry, Judge. This is Joe Yachuma here. Is the city attorney available?
Yeah, in number four.
Can you put me in the breakout room number 4?
You have the ability to move there. I thought I gave you the ability to move around. Number 4. Let's see.
So I am using my phone, so. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, this is the city of Detroit. Versus Alante Lamb, case number SP135-18512, SP142-70021, SP142-78771. State of Michigan versus Alante Lamb, case number SX345124001. SX346128412. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Lante Lamb.
Good morning to you. Okay, go ahead.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
I'll recall any and all warrants. Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lamb is in payment plans on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 7 matters. So I don't know how that will help him with the city, but I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Mr. Lamb, with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. All right, Attorney Waski, are you ready on anyone?
Yes, I'm ready on Miss Graylaw. We're going to be setting that for a bench trial, Judge.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Sharina Graylaw, case number U72019925. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, for the record, James Waski, P31546, on behalf of Miss Graylaw.
Ms. Graylaw, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning. My name is Sharina Graylaw.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. You want a trial date?
Yes, Judge. City Attorney and I have talked about this case, and we both kind of feel that there are some issues here that actually should be resolved by trial.
All right, that date will be set for March the 26th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Ms. Graylaw, if you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Judge, is that in person or on Zoom?
And that's like Burger King, your client has it her way. That's the best I can think of.
Okay, we'll do it on Zoom. We'll save it.
All right.
It's an elderly lady. Okay. I see Mr. Earl Lewis checked in. I'm gonna go drag him someplace.
Very well.
Okay.
So,
You're free to leave, Ms. Graylock, the 26th at 9 a.m.
26 to 9 a.m. Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. David Goldberg. Mr. Goldberg, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
No appointed counsel needed?
No, Your Honor.
All right, come back, Mr. Goldberg, on March the 24th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your.
Thank you. You two, would that be on Zoom here too?
Again, that's like Burger King. You have it your way.
Awesome. Thank you.
All right, very well. All right, Mr. Barry, Mr. Emilio Lopez is going to need an interpreter, okay? He's on the afternoon docket. Let's call it the City of Detroit versus Emilio Lopez Monte, case number SP 1866627, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Estamos presentes en el acta en el caso de la Fiscalía de Detroit contra el señor Emilio López Monte, número de caso P1866627, cargos 1 y 2. Por favor, las partes presentes para que conste en el acta. Esta audiencia estaba programada para una lectura oficial de los cargos a la 1:30 de la tarde el día de hoy.
Okay. Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
El señor Edward Berry Jr. Se está presentando en favor del demandado.
State your full name, sir.
Diga su nombre completo, señor.
Emiliano Monter López.
Emiliano Monter López.
Monter López.
Monter López.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, para propósitos de esta lectura oficial de los cargos, mi cliente renuncia a la lectura oficial de los cargos y quiere permanecer mudo.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lopez, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Bueno, entonces lo que va a ocurrir es que yo voy a presentar una declaración de no culpable en su caso, señor López, y la fianza será de $0. Usted va a tener la oportunidad de hablar con el señor Berry acerca de su caso y él le va a presentar una oferta. Sin embargo, tenga en cuenta que si a usted no le gusta esta oferta que le presentan, usted tiene un derecho absoluto a tener un juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación que aparece en su pantalla.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Mr. Johnson, I think your client is here. What is your client's name? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a pre-trial date. Mr. Lamb, I'm going to give you a pre-trial date of March the 26th, 2026 at 8:30. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. Mr. Austin, let's go back on the record with Mr. Leonard Austin. Mr. Leonard Austin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We are respectfully requesting permission to pay reinstatement fees up front and a trial date.
Well, he has this no insurance civil. It's been years ago. I mean, he could take advantage of the amnesty right now that's going on that would waive some of the late fees on that. Can you have $215, Mr. Austin?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, come on and pay that no insurance civil. That's the only thing that I see is affecting his ability to get a license. I don't know if the pedestrian and walk or roadway will affect his ability. What I'll do is I'll give you a pretrial date, unless you just want to get it over sooner rather than later. I was going to give you a pretrial date so you can pay that no insurance civil and approach the Secretary of State and see if you can get a valid license. If you can't, we'll set you another trial date on the next court date. You want to do it that way?
Yeah, that's fine. That's the quickest way to get it done.
Well, it'll probably work in your favor if you can bring that license back. Go pre-trial is March 26, 2026 at 8:30. And come back then. In the meantime, pay that no insurance civil. That's one of that no insurance civil, SP 101-49513. That one is probably affecting your ability to get a license at that point. And once you pay that, go to the Secretary of State, see if you can get if they'll give you a valid license. If they don't give you a valid license, ask them for a printout. They should give you a printout on everything that's affecting your license. You can bring that in on the 26th of March and see if an attorney can help you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Appreciate it, too.
Well, City of Detroit versus Javon George Leverett. Case numbers SP 166-36162, SP 169-00951, SP 182-6318, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Javon Leverett, good morning.
Sherrick Harris on behalf of Mr. Leverett. For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. He allowed 3 of these tickets to go into default. The one is driving on cell phone, no insurance proof, and that has a $45 reinstatement fee and expired plates. Ms. Harris, if the city has no objection, I'll allow him to be heard on that. He has an old expired plate, $145 that we won't address. They'll have to pay that. So drive on cell phone, no insurance proof, and expired plate. If you can get them an updated offer, if the city has no objection to setting those defaults aside, the court will allow him to be heard on those. Mr. Leverett, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you that updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Mr. Barton, are you ready? Mr. Yatuma, are you ready? Mr. Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Yatuma, who is your client?
Yep, my client is Mr. Estopian, Your Honor. He's not present today, but I do have the authority on his behalf.
Estopian.
Correct.
City of Detroit versus Rolando Antonio Guerre Estopian. Case number 2677-4332, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Joe Yatuma for the defendant, Mr. Estopian.
All right, good morning to you. And for the purposes of your client's presence, you retain counsel?
Correct.
And you have the authority to enter agreement on his behalf. Is that correct?
I do, Your Honor.
Can you?
Hold on, Mr. Barton. All right, I'll waive the presence of your client. Officer Vadnez.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please? Sorry if I messed it up.
No worries. Officer Tim Badness, badge number 112, Wayne State University Police Department.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a formal hearing. Did you guys work it out?
Your Honor, yes, I did have the opportunity to talk to Ms. Tamika Horn, and we did agree to blockading traffic and with a dismissal of the improper equipment violation.
All right. Stipulate face of the ticket on your client's behalf as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, with those stipulations, I'll find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175, and dismiss the other matter. I'll give your client until March the 23rd to pay the fine, okay?
March 23rd. Thank you so much.
All right, Officer Vadnez, you be safe out there. Mr. Yatuma, you be safe out there as well. Best of luck.
Likewise, Judge. Thank you so much. Thank you all.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Barton, Mr. Johnson, are you there?
My apologies. Yep.
Yes, Your Honor.
You ready, Mr. Barton?
Yes, Your Honor. We're here for sentencing.
All right, let's call the.
I'm sorry, Judge. Can I get a docket from Ms. Mathis? Sorry.
Mathis, can you get this? This is the City of Detroit versus Jessica Lockett, case number Z8098411. I should have called. Hold on, I should call probation to find out what is going on with Ms. Lockett. Let's get probation down here. Let's get probation down here. Give me few more minutes.
No problem.
I'm sorry. Attorney Mamet.
I'm here on LeSueur. I'm not sure if the officer checked in. The prosecutor wasn't sure either.
City of Detroit versus Richard Allen LeSueur. Case number, well, this is the state of Michigan versus Richard Allen LeSueur. Case number SX4654603. Appearance for the record, please.
Stephen Mamet on behalf of the defendant.
All right, good morning to you. The trooper did appear.
Okay.
Trooper, I don't see him now. What happened to him? Let's see if he left a message for us to tell us his whereabouts. I did not see.
What's the client's name, Mr. Mamet?
LeSueur.
LeSueur, SLASURE, Richard Allen LeSueur.
Thank you.
All right, is Trooper Justin BOCZKAJA here? Yeah, he was here, so he's not here now. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, based on what you just stated, the officer's not here. No one's talked to him. I moved to dismiss without prejudice.
All right, I'll dismiss the case. Trooper was here, but not here when case was called, and did not leave the court, nor did he leave anything with Miss Horn. All right, if there's nothing further, be safe. Your client does have 2 other civil infractions, a seatbelt and a no valid registration, $65 and $90.
Are those are up today as well?
No, they're not up to date. I don't know what he did with, whether he did anything with those or not. I can look and see.
Yeah, if you don't mind, Your Honor.
Good morning. Formal hearing on the 19th, March 19th, March 19th, formal hearing.
Okay, we'll be here. All right, thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, you have a great day.
Probation officer versus going zoom in on Jessica Lockett.
Mr. Barton, I'm gonna give me a minute on the other one. All right. Let's go with back on the record. All right, Mr. Waskey, who do you have? Earl Lewis?
Mr. Lewis, we are ready for that, Judge. We're gonna set that for a bench trial. We got some really, really old tickets here.
Right. I do. City of Detroit. Oh. City of Detroit versus Earl Lewis. Earl Curtis Lewis, case number SP 1033753, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1184639, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1223612, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 133015001. SP 1365980, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 160311611, SP 169303771, SP 1843489, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1843490, counts 1 and counts 2. 1730595991, 19215937, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Lewis, are you sitting in the driver's seat of a vehicle, sir?
Yeah, someone had broke in my house and I have all the family and stuff is in the house right now talking about it and it's loud. So I just came to the car.
Yeah, I just don't feel comfortable because I don't really believe you. And I don't feel comfortable with you being in the driver's seat of a vehicle with all these infractions. Go ahead, Mr. Waskey.
Your Honor, for the record, James Watsky, P31546, on behalf of Mr. Lewis on each of these matters.
All right, Dave, state your name for the record, Mr. Lewis.
Earl Curtis Lewis, the third.
All right, day, date, and time set for a pretrial. You say your client wants a trial date?
Yes, Judge. Ms. Horn and I have talked about this, and because of the number of tickets and the age of so many of them, we just feel that we need to set this for a bench trial and kind of go from there.
All right, March the 26th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day, Mr. Lewis. Best of luck to you.
Thank you very much, Judge. And as you see, Mr. Lewis is no longer in a vehicle.
Yeah, all right. He'll probably get right back in it.
Hey, Judge, this is Kwame Lee. I believe I might be here in error. My court date was supposed to be the 20th, but I received this one in the mail saying it was a court date today.
Oh, man,
Free to leave, Mr. Lewis. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay,
You're not in error, sir. You're supposed to be here today. All right. Let's go back on the record. Who else do you have, Mr. Waskey? Are you ready on?
I don't think either of the other two have checked in, Mr. Littlejohn or Mr. Lynch. I haven't seen either one of them.
Lynch, I think, is here. I thought I saw Lynch. Is Lynch here? No, I guess not.
Yeah.
I thought I saw Lynch.
Yeah, we've sent out notices and we sent out another tickler this morning, but nothing yet.
Maybe not. All right. Well, we'll be here. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez. Mr. Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
You're muted, interpreter. You're muted.
Oh, señor López, vamos a hablar de su caso. Yo le di a usted la oportunidad de que hablara con el abogado. Señor abogado, ¿qué hemos acordado?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to blocking traffic for driving left of the center lane, the license matter to be dismissed.
Su señoría, mi cliente querría aprovechar la oferta que está haciendo la fiscalía de un cargo corregido de bloquear el flujo del tráfico al haber pasado del carril de la izquierda hacia la derecha. Y el otro cargo por no tener licencia de conducción va a ser desestimado.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lopez?
¿Es eso lo que usted desea hacer, señor López?
I don't see Mr. Lopez.
He's there, but he needs to activate his microphone. Señor López, active su micrófono. Y active también su cámara. Al tocar su pantalla en la parte inferior, hay unos botones. El dibujo del micrófono y el dibujo de la cámara. Active su cámara.
Okay.
Ok.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lopez? Plead to blocking traffic?
¿Eso es lo que usted desea hacer, señor López? Declararse, declararse culpable por haber bloqueado el flujo del tráfico. Yes.
Sí, correcto.
Yes, correct.
All right, if it's nothing, stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea counselor.
Stipulated, Your Honor.
Señor abogado, usted estipula de la multa como se le presentó y los hechos como se están declarando. Sí, su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Y usted también estipula causa probable para desestimar el otro cargo, el otro asunto.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Sí, su señoría, se estipula.
All right, with those stipulations, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it?
Bueno, entonces yo voy a declarar que su cliente es responsable por haber impedido el flujo del tráfico. Esto incurre en una multa de $175. ¿Cuándo puede usted pagarlos?
Ahora mismo.
Right now.
All right. I'm going to give you until tomorrow to figure it out. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. He wants to pay it now.
Bueno, entonces yo lo voy a dar hasta mañana para que usted pueda resolver el asunto. Usted puede pagar esta multa de dos maneras. Una es acercándose a uno de los kioscos de la ciudad que se encuentran alrededor de la ciudad, que se llaman DivDat, o podría incluso, sé que existe la plataforma que usted podría subir en su teléfono celular, DivDat, para poder de esta manera cancelar, o se podría acercar al juzgado para poder cancelar la multa. Estas son las dos mejores maneras en las que podría hacer esto.
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that will be all right.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Bueno, entonces si no hay nada más que presentar, usted se puede retirar de esta audiencia. Que tenga un muy buen día y le deseo la mejor de las suertes.
Muchas gracias igualmente.
Thank you very much. Same to you, sir.
Thank you. And Madam Interpreter, thank you very much. Have a very good rest of your day. I thought we had someone else. I didn't know if we needed Juan Guzman Ibarra. He was in the room, but he never joined. Separate trial.
I don't know, Your Honor, if the party shows up, I believe you might want to call case processing again.
Okay, we'll call. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
This is the city of Detroit versus Carmela Gillis, case number SP 185-2066, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, well, that's thing, Ms. Gillis.
Carmela Gillis.
All right, good morning, Ms. Gillis. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jessica Lockett, case number Z809-8411. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please this honorable court, Darnell Barton, P 83363, on behalf of Ms. Jessica Lockett. Ma'am, can you state your name only for the record?
Jessica Lockett.
Thank you. Your Honor, today's the day and time for sentencing. My client and I have reviewed the PSI report. There are no additions, deletions, or corrections.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Lockett.
Good morning.
And Ms. Lurch, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Dawn Lurst on behalf of probation.
I don't see it. I don't see it. All right, there's date and time set for sentencing. Ms. Lurch, I just wanted to know how Ms. Lockett was progressing on her as to her bond conditions.
Your Honor, I haven't had any problems on her bond conditions. If you can give me 1 second, I will log in and check on her testing. I don't believe there's been any issues. Normally they contact me right away if there is. But let me take a look real quick just to make sure for the court.
All right.
Do you have a ticket number? Okay, that's okay. You scheduled tomorrow, remember, June 8th. Yes,
Your Honor, there has been no issues with Ms. Lockett's testing. She's been positive for THC, but I believe no, she does not have a medical marijuana card, but she has been testing positive for THC, but all other substances have been negative.
Okay, very well. Thank you so much, Ms. Lurst, and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, you too, Your Honor.
Hi, excuse me, Judge.
Hold on, don't interrupt.
Okay.
Go ahead, Mr. Barton. What do you want to say something on your client's behalf?
Just very briefly, Your Honor, on this one. This is one of those, what you would call the one bad night situations with Ms. Lockett. She was very forthcoming on the scene. She was cooperative, as you see from Ms. Lurch. She was cooperative with her probation or pretrial. I will say, as it relates to the marijuana, Ms. Lockett was advised that she was going to, or excuse me, was to get a medical marijuana card. So I believe that's in the works, Your Honor. Or anything that's related to that, I can assure you that that'll be handled. But that wasn't even a factor in the situation on that particular night. So with that said, Your Honor, we would just respectfully ask for any fees or fines that are related, that if they could, because Ms. Lockett is working now towards getting her things together, finishing school, stuff like that. If the court were to help her with those items, that would be great. Other than that, we abide by the recommendation, and I believe she'll be a great candidate on probation, Your Honor. Thank
you. Well, as for the being cooperative and everything, it seems like that's after they caught up with her. She left the scene of an accident.
Well, she actually moved down from the scene. It wasn't that she was fleeing the scene, Your Honor. If you look at the report, she actually moved away from it. I don't want Ms. Lockett to speak too much about it, but it wasn't her trying to leave the scene, meaning get away from responsibility. It was more of a security issue from the individual he was involved in the accident with that started to become belligerent, and she had to move to an area of safety, and then she contacted the police, or the police came, and she was very cooperative.
I can see that. All right. You want to say anything on your behalf? You don't have to, Ms. Lockett.
No,
You said no?
no, sir.
Okay, all right. Attend and complete Mothers Against Drunk Driving program. Attend and complete alcohol highway level safety 1. Submit random urinalysis 2 times per month. Shall not consume alcohol. No driving without a valid license. Watch the consequences video. Pay $35 a month oversight fee. Pay $100 assessment fee.
Okay.
And a $15 urinalysis. I would pay the monthly fee of the 35 and the 15 as you go as far as urinalysis is concerned. Be a term of 6-month probation. I'm gonna fine her $240. Fine. And it'll be all other statutory costs. Those will be listed in the judgment of sentence. Those are costs that are mandatory. I have no discretion on those. And then we will 6-month term of probation. I'll review in 3 months.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I need a 6-month date, Ms. Mathis. I can actually get the 6-month date off of the next date. So just come back June 9th, 2026. Did I cover everything?
You did, Your Honor. I believe that's everything. Just for the record, Your Honor, with these appointed cases, we're not here on the delayed sentence date or the date that you come back for review. So she will be here on without counsel, just so the court.
I understand that.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor. Again.
Your attorney's after the sentence, your attorney's obligation is over with, Ms. Lockett, but I'm sure I'm hoping that you can get things done so we can have a nice review on June 9th, all right, 2026. You'll be referred back to probation, and that should give you a call and update you on just comply, get it done, and then we'll be able to hopefully close it out sooner rather than later.
Okay.
Best to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you and your staff again, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You're welcome. Mr. Siroki, I think your client, Oliver, you were Oliver's attorney. He made it. And Mr. Boffman, your client Dingwall is here. I think she's in the breakout room. Mr. Johnson, Vassal Johnson, your client is here. I think the client what is your name in the lockup, sir, interview room?
Lucas Osterley?
No, Lucas Osterley. That's not your client, is it, Mr. Johnson? All right, he's not. He's probably doing something else. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Leverett. Mr. Leverett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Yeah, the client left the breakout room prior to the offer, but the offer is he could admit responsibility to expired plates and driving on cell phone with the remaining matters dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Leverett?
Yes. What date was the cell phone incident? I'm not really aware of that one. If you could let me know. Cell phone.
Cell phone was made, they say that happened on November the 10th, 2025 at 1:54 PM in the city of Detroit in the area of Davison and Linwood.
Okay, I remember now. Thank you.
Want to take the deal?
Yes.
Well,
when
I don't think we have to do anything but dismiss these cases, Ms. Harris. And you said, so the no insurance proof will be dismissed as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the matters?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, all right. So I'll dismiss SP 166-36162, SP 169-00951, SP 182-63182. That's two no insurance misdemeanors and the no insurance proof. You'll have to pay the $145 for twice for 2 expired plates and $100 for the cell phone.
Okay. It also say I have a court date April 21st with you. I don't know if that's about the same matter or do I have anything else?
I don't see anything else. I didn't see anything else. If you have a case number, that's the way I can help you with that. But other than that, I don't see anything else in your name.
Okay. Well, that's fine.
All right. So when are you going to pay these other 3 matters?
I think my license which one of these are suspending my license? Because my license is suspended right now, so I don't know if I have to hurry up and do it or can I do a payment plan?
Well, you can do a payment plan, but you got to take advantage of the amnesty. That's the one ticket that's suspending your license is going to be dismissed. The amnesty is going to go on till April the 2nd.
Okay. Well, I'll pay them as soon as possible.
All right. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
You're welcome. Shane Lucas.
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Shane Michael Lucas. Case number SP 184-73811. Appearance for the record, please.
Shane Michael Lucas.
Chair Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lucas.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you.
Is it just the one matter, Your Honor, for unregistered?
That's all I see.
Thank you.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gillis. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Gillis?
Yes.
Back on March 24th, 2026 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
There's nothing further, ma'am. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
On the telephone at 313-979-0845. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Cornell Grimes.
Say that again.
Cornell Grimes.
Cornell Glass.
Grimes. Grimes.
Okay, G-R-I. Oh, Grimes. Okay, good morning to you, Mr. Grimes.
Good morning.
Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Cornell Grimes. Case number SP 137-18081, SP 182-76291. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grimes.
Cornell Grimes.
All right, Mr. Grimes, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. He's in the room, Mr. Berry. We'll pass the matter. All right, who's ready?
Judge, there's a gentleman here named Floyd. Is his last name by any chance Lynch? Floyd Lynch.
Is that Floyd Lynch? Unmute yourself. Is that Floyd Lynch?
Yes.
Oh,
That's
Judge, I'm ready on that right now. We can call that right now and get rid of it.
all right. It's the city of Detroit versus Floyd Anthony Lynch, case number 2071-50571. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, for the record, James Waskey, P31546, on behalf of Mr. Lynch.
Mr. Lynch, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Morning, Judge. Floyd Lynch.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. What's going to be the offer?
Judge, I've talked with the city attorney on this matter, and she will dismiss this case in the interest of justice. She feels that she cannot, in good conscience, be able to prove this case.
Okay, Mr. Lynch, case is going to be dismissed. I'll waive the warrant fee. You're going to have to pay the $45 reinstatement fee. If there's nothing further, sir. Oh, Ms. Mathis. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you. Good catch.
Thank you.
Have a great day and have best of luck to you.
All right, Judge, that leaves me with just Mr. Littlejohn, who has not checked in. It's now 10:30, and he had an 8:35 court date.
Let me see who this is. Papa's iPhone. Can you start your camera, unmute yourself, state your name, please?
Andre Green.
Papa's
Jason Lane.
iPhone.
Jason Lane.
Say that again.
Jason Lane.
Jason Lang.
I'm supposed to make a payment. Whether they can extension.
Jason Ross Lang. Can you take your hat off, sir?
Yes, sir. Sorry about that.
All right, let's see. This is the city of Detroit versus Jason Ross Lang. Case numbers SP171-53271, SP170-26591. State your name for the record, please. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. Jason Ross Lane.
All right, you're supposed to pay. What happened?
My money I got held up, but I need just 2 more days, and I'll be able to get that to you, sir.
You sure 2 more days?
Yes, sir.
All right, come back on the March the 12th. Come back on March the 12th at 8:25. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload review the DivDad app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse to pay it in person. 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day. All right.
You too, sir. Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lucas. Mr. Lucas, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is supposed to be a dismissal.
Yes, he was able to present valid registration.
All right, Mr. Lucas, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. You as well.
Thank you. City of Detroit, is this Malcolm Garrett here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Morning.
City of Detroit versus Malcolm Garrett, case number SP185-2262, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record, Mr. Garrett.
Malcolm Garrett.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Garrett, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Berry, are you ready on your client?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Cornell Grimes. Mr. Grimes, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of an attorney. His number is in the chat.
Okay, is that what you want to do, Mr. Grimes?
Yes.
All right, pretrial date is going to be March 26, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set to make sure that appointed attorney has an opportunity to contact you. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
If it's nothing further, I just need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. If it's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day. And Mr. Waski, if you don't have any further questions, do you?
No further questions.
Best of luck to you. Mr. Waski, you're free to leave. If they appear, we'll get back in touch with you. But
Thank you very much. I will, I'll keep trying to bring him in. We'll see what happens.
Very well.
Thank you very much. You have a lovely day.
You have a better one too.
Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Mark Gistinall, case number SP 185-20861. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Martin Gistinall.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day, date, and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Gistinall, put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. He has a lot of tickets that he could benefit from the amnesty program. Mr. Berry, Mr. Gistinall, join the room. When you see the prompt, you let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Malcolm Garrett. Garrett, I'm going to give you an opportunity. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a bench trial date.
Yes, Your Honor.
March the 24th, 2026 at 9 a.m., sir. If there's nothing further, you have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
You do the same, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Very well. Good morning.
Good. City of Detroit versus Kwame Lee. Case number, I think this is really here because he didn't pay. Let's see. What's your middle name, sir?
Gabrielle.
The City of Detroit versus Gabrielle Lee, case number SP 178-55661. Appearance for the record, please.
Mr. Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lee, please state your name for the record.
Kwame Gabrielle Lee.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. You're here because of non-payment. You owe $240, plus you owe another $170 on a unsafe manner driving ticket. But the $240 is what I'm concerned about. When can you pay it?
I'm doing community service for that.
You did community service already? Take your hat off, sir, if you have a hat on. You did community service?
I'm in the process of doing community service. I'm supposed to come back on the 20th, March 20th. I'm in the middle of doing community service. I was in a automobile accident.
Okay. All right. And then you have some other stipulations here as well, right?
Just the 170, I'm going to go ahead and pay. I'm going to go ahead and do the div dav and get that paid today. That's not a problem. But I am.
All right.
I am.
So come back on March the 20th. if that's when you'll be done with the community service.
Okay.
March 20th, if there's nothing further, I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. March 20th, 2026 at 8:25. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Is Alan Soroki still your judge?
He is.
Oh, he is, okay.
He was.
He's here on the jury trial, I mean, the final return.
Is he? City of Detroit versus Luis Lopez Luna, case number SP1835210, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yeah, how's it going, boss man?
Chair Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lopez Luna, could you
Can you
please
hear me?
state your name for the record?
Yeah, this is Luis Eduardo Lopez Luna.
All right. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
To you. Day, date, and time set for a show cause. Purpose of arraignment, counselor. Turn your camera on, Mr. Luna.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. You're not driving, are you, Mr. Luna?
No, sir. I'm just sitting in the car.
All right. He has a civil infraction that went along with this case. I wouldn't have any issue of failure to stop at a stop sign. I wouldn't have any issue with allowing him to be heard on that case. If the city has no objection, run Mr. Luna's license. Ms. Harris, I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Mr. Luna, with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. We'll pass the matter.
I believe he was attempting to show you a valid license, so I will wait to see the result.
Ebony Gilmore, are you there? Ebony Gilmore, Michael Green. I thought I saw Michael Green, or is that the officers that checked in for Michael Green? Lockett is gone. Kidd is gone. Guzman was here. Okay. He did not join back in though, but he did sign in. Joanne Grisham, Cornelius Gunn, Michael Deontay Green, Gonzalez Dingwall is here. So I don't see Ebony Gilmer. I don't see Green. I don't see Gunn. I don't see Grisham. And Guzman did appear, but he dropped off for some reason.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you so much, Judge.
You're welcome. Can we run Lopez Luna's license, please? Okay. And Mr. Boffman and Mr. Soroki are in there for Oliver and Dingwall.
Is Ms. Horn still in the courtroom?
Yes. Ms. Horn, Ms. Harris.
Yes. Oh, I mean, I can wait for her to return to room 4, but I was thinking if she had an offer for Lopez Luna, if the license has returned.
Yeah, the failure to stop that it went into default. This recently went into default.
Block 80.
All right. Block
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Ms. Harris.
All right.
Thank you. Was the license valid?
We'll see. License is valid.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, in the lockup. I'm sorry again. What is your name again? I'm sorry.
Lucas Osterly.
Osterly.
O-E-S.
There you are. Yeah, I see. Did you have an attorney appointed to you?
No, I did not.
What's that Mr. Johnson? He's been.
Your Honor, were you telling me the license was not valid?
License, Ms. Mathis said the license is valid.
Okay, thank you.
Judge, looks like my client wasn't read it over.
You're not Osterly?
No, sir. It's Shane Gibson from Macomb County Jail.
All right.
Could I respectfully have 2 weeks?
Yeah.
He has a sentence date tomorrow. So he may be out, and I think it'll be easier.
Shame. I think I've already printed that. Come back in 2 weeks, March the 26th.
6?
March the 26th at 8:30.
Okay, thank you.
All right, be safe.
Bye. You too.
No Val? No. He's probably downstairs because his stuff is all somebody else's, he's got everything, somebody else's courtroom. Let me see. I messed up.
Might have missed that. Well, I'll switch on that.
Would you do that?
Are we ready on Gistinol? Let's go back on the record with Martin Gistinol. Mr. Gistinol, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid documents. We'd seek dismissal.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case. Mr. Gistinol, for providing valid documentation. You still owe the court a lot of money here.
How much?
You have that amnesty going on right now until April the 2nd. If there's nothing further, you said how much?
Yes.
$1,610.
Okay, that's less than I thought.
Oh, well, there it is. That's good news then.
Yes, it is.
Nothing further, Mr. Gistinol. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
All right, thank you. Do we have Australia's file? City of Detroit versus Lucas Matthew Austerley. Case number U706-06324. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Osterl.
Lucas Matthew Osterley.
All right. Today is the date and time. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. You have cases in this court, and you had a couple other cases in other courts. Shannon Holmes. I guess you're locked up now because of the Shannon Holmes cases?
Yes, yes, Your Honor. I had 3 cases that were dismissed upon a sentence, and I had a remaining case, which I think is supposed to be this one, that they referred back to a different judge, not drug court.
How long have you been locked up?
I've been locked up since November 27th.
Jeez. All right, give Mr. Austerley an updated offer, Mr. Berry. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Now, are you locked up because of what?
I'm locked up because I violated the drug court, and Ms. Holmes closed my cases out and sentenced me to the remaining cases that I had with her for drug court. And then I don't know specifically what case this is, what this matter is on, but I know it was referred to a different judge, such as yourself, other than drug court, so I could close it out, for my time being incarcerated.
This is alleged to have happened on December the 12th, 2024, at around 5:39 p.m. in the city of Detroit. He has a Jonathan Jones as his attorney. in area 5546 McGraw Avenue, where the allegation narcotic and drug-related violations. I do not have a file, Mr. Berry. Speak to, what about this Jonathan Jones attorney? Have you spoken with that attorney?
No, that may have been a retained attorney, but that's no longer my attorney. So I don't know.
Speak to Mr. Osterly in the breakout room, Mr. Berry. See if you can get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. How many more days do you have on this sentence?
I'm supposed to be released April 27th.
Very good. All right. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez Luna. Mr. Lopez Luna, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. This is a blocking traffic, counselor.
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
You stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175, Mr. Luna. When can you pay it?
Today.
Today?
Yes, sir.
All right. What I'll do is I'll give you until tomorrow to make sure it gets paid. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Go ahead. What'd you say?
Is it the courthouse in downtown, correct?
Yes.
Already.
All right. He wants to pay his today. All right. Best of luck to you, Mr. Lopez. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, you as well.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Breon Luster, case number SP 141-41731, SP 147-85641, SP 178-10481. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm here. Cherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lester, please state your name for the record.
Breon Lester.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant to be recalled.
You are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Luster, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay, thank you. Judge, can I have a moment before we go to the next case?
Right.
Thank you.
Ms. Medina, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What does your client need an interpreter?
No, my client does not, Your Honor, and I was just hoping to speak to the prosecutor. I'm sorry, Your Honor. Remember, we had his A and B pretrial earlier in another courtroom.
All right, join breakout room 4. The city's not there yet, so you have to wait on them.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
And good morning, Judge. Garcia. Corporal Wright, good morning to you.
Good morning. My defendant didn't check in, Michael Green. Can I sign off?
Hey, and if you can tell your colleagues that they can sign off as well.
Okay, will do. I'll switch back over.
Thank you. Be safe out there, Corporal. All right.
You as well. Have a good day.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Can you run Luster's license, please, and Lewis's license, please? No, Tyra Lewis and Luster, please.
Judge, do you see the raised hands?
I see the raised hands, but I'm not worried about your raised hand. You didn't bother to show up the other day?
No. Okay, you're right. You're right. I apologize.
All right, so sit tight. Your attorney's here. I told you that already.
He ain't in here no. He ain't in here no more. He left a while ago.
He's here. Don't talk to me without your camera on it next time either. Raised hand. You missed court.
I thought it was March 10th. I thought it was March 10th. I apologize.
Good morning to you.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yes.
Lewis is valid.
Does she have a valid regular license or is this a student license? This is a permit.
Luster is valid.
Luster's valid too. All right. Hi. Uh-oh. I'm late. Joanne Grisham,
Yes,
you're super late, ma'am.
I know. I had a doctor's appointment today. I'm a high risk pregnancy.
Grisham, good morning to you.
Good
See
morning.
her still here. Nope, I think your officer is gone. He appeared. Turn your camera on, please.
I'm back, Judge.
All right. City of Detroit versus Joanne Grisham, case number SP 1842811, counts 1 and counts 2. Ms. Grisham, state your name for the record, please.
Joanne Grisham.
All right. Today is the date and time. Good morning. Today is the date and time set for a trial's last formal hearing. We're going to give it one more chance.
Please and thank you.
Because I want you to have that baby in the doctor's office, not the jail cell.
I know that's right.
All right. When is the baby due, Miss Grisham?
It's due April 8th, but they told me I gotta deliver sometime this week.
Oh man, so you about to
I'm 36 weeks.
sometime this week. I'm gonna set you for 30 days, April the 9th, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right. All right, best of luck to you. And I know you're gonna have a healthy and happy baby. And hopefully you can spend time with them on the outside. Don't miss another date, all right? April
Okay.
9th.
Thank
All right,
you.
best of luck to you. Bye, Ms. Grisham.
Okay. Bye-bye.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Osterman. Mr. Berry, I've given you an opportunity. He waited. He came out the room on his own, huh? You got to go back in the breakout room. Mr. Berry will probably be waiting to see you.
How do I get back in there, Judge?
I don't know why you came out.
I didn't know what was happening.
Just sit tight. Andre Green Jr., good morning to you. Oh, I see here.
Good morning.
Who's your attorney, Mr.? Who's Andre Green Jr.'s? Okay, Soroki. So Soroki on Oliver and Soroki on Green. And then Grable, good morning to you.
Same to you, sir.
Do you have an attorney?
I do not.
All right, do you want one appointed to you? Turn your camera on, please. Turn your camera on, please. Do you want one? Good morning. Do you want one appointed to you?
Yeah.
Are you going to hire your own?
No, you can have one appointed to me.
All right. City of Detroit. Wait a minute. City of Detroit versus Aaron Grable. Case number U74408-126, U74408-226. Mr. Grable, state your name for the record, please.
Aaron Grable.
All right, there's date and time set for a pre-trial. I mean, what is it set for? Let's see, what is it set for? Set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna, I need a good phone number from you so I can appoint that attorney for you.
You know when you're ready.
I was born ready.
I heard that. 313-808-7357.
7357?
Yes, ma'am.
313-808-7357. I need for
Correct.
you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, which is March the 26th, 2026 at 8:30, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Odom, good morning to you. You're not on the docket today, are you?
I know I had a date for
How's your mom doing?
She's out there in the hallway.
All right, tell her we said hi. ODUM? OM. Antoine.
I had like 3 different dates, like August.
The
12th.
Thank you.
And the 18th.
What's your birthday?
3/13/1974.
The 18th. The 18th. All right.
18th.
18th. That you're in 336 on the 18th.
336. That's Brian. So
I think, let's see. The 12th, you had a review. So that's the 12th. It's Thursday. You have a review. That is in front of Bryant, the 12th. And then the other case, 336, is going to be in front of me. But why does it say 336 though?
This is probably the judge's record, but it might have been scheduled prior to our change.
So it's going to be 336 then, right? That's where his file's going to be. You want me to print it out for you, Ms. Mathis?
I haven't even been able to be in contact with my attorney, Green. You know, you told me about her pacemaker, and I gave her like 2 weeks
I don't
to
know
try
what
to
happened.
heal a little bit. But you know,
She hasn't called you. Do you have the same number?
her voicemail is not on. It's not.
I haven't seen her
I
either.
called her. I seen her at one point when I was down in the appointed attorney's office.
But after you left here, you saw her?
Yeah.
Oh, I haven't seen her.
I didn't see her. One of the other court attorneys had told me she was walking through the hallway.
Well, you didn't see her either.
I didn't see her, but I've been trying to call her like frivolously. She ain't really been responding.
Well, 18th. Oh, let me get some. Mr. Bachman, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Is Dingwall here?
We're ready.
Yes, I'm here.
All right.
336 now, but we don't do letter off, so.
What happened to Dingwall's file? Let's see.
March the 6th.
Okay, let me look at some paperwork.
City of Detroit versus Unique Gonzalez Dingwall, case number SP 1822170, counts 1 and counts 2, 1822171. Appearance for the record, please.
Good Monday morning, Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Ma'am, give the court your full name, please.
Unique Gonzalez Dingwall.
This matter was set for trial today. The good officer did appear, Judge, and indicated that he would not be able to proceed for lack of a recollection sufficient enough to him to give testimony. So I stipulate the probable cause for the recommendation that this matter be dismissed, please.
Okay, good morning to you, Officer Radliff. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please? All right, I don't know if he's dismissed with there's no recollection.
No recollection.
All right. Case dismissed, Ms. Dingwall. If there's nothing further, you can go back to watching your television or your music or whatever you had in the back.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
You have a nice day.
Have a better one. All right.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Best of luck to you. Do you have anybody else? Oh,
that's all for me today. Have a good day. You and F have a good day. Bye.
Ms. Mathis is gonna tell people I'm throwing files.
We'll be on the medical. I'm gonna fall right over into this bag.
That's how you do it.
You don't know that?
I just flew. I was playing basketball. I couldn't hit the broadside of a barn yesterday.
What?
Oh, that's what my head is a target.
You know you don't play for a while, you be off a little bit sometimes. Just real.
We switched Anton over.
He seems to be all right today.
Supposed to be a nice day today, they said.
Well, Antoine Ohm seems to be not in the good.
Yeah.
He seems to be pretty good today. What about Reed? Can you call her? What?
That's 336. Can have that.
Oh, yeah.
Barely worked this for.
Is he leave?
No,
Did he leave?
No,
No. He's 336 is fine.
Yeah.
It's fine.
He's up there.
But you know he's gonna come back up in here.
He's coming back.
Coming back to get you, Jim.
He's coming back to get you.
No, he's not.
He is adamant about his
Right,
situation.
you.
He seems to be doing all right today.
He did seem a little relaxed today.
No, he's coming to get you.
No, he not. No. He look Perkins. He's not available.
When's the last time he came in here?
I did not see his mom. That's the last time I seen her.
All right.
She said, I think she come with him every time, don't she?
I don't think so. That's my first time. That was my first time ever
He
seeing
did
him.
leave a message that I wasn't able to call back.
All right, let's go back on the record with Luster. Luster, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're asking the court to confirm the status of her license.
Valid. License is valid.
There's a recommendation to dismiss these matters. She also presented valid insurance.
Maybe he talked to me because they were supposed to have an appointment the last time we talked. Last time he came in here. So maybe that'd be the first thing he said.
He didn't. He said he didn't.
Oh, you said he didn't. Okay.
Mhm. All right, I'm going to dismiss the cases. I waive the warrant fee. You still owe a lot of money to the court that you can benefit from the amnesty program as well.
How much do I owe?
I see 1170.
Okay,
170. Best of luck to you, Ms. Luster. Have a very good rest of your day.
thank you, you too.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Tara Lewis, case SP 181-22221. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Tyra Lewis.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled. There is a recommendation to dismiss. We ask the court to adopt the recommendation. We stipulate to probable cause.
All right, case dismissed. I'll enter a not guilty plea on the client's behalf. Give your client $0 bond. Case dismissed, ma'am. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Free to leave.
Yes, you're free to leave.
Okay.
You're free to leave. I'm sorry. Yeah, you say he's gonna be back in here today?
He probably will.
Well, you said, you told him you go down to
He's going to
336.
336, but he like coming in here.
I know he does.
I think he feels like when he comes in here, he's making some progress and that there's an atmosphere in here that really wants to help you.
Yeah.
He sensed that. So even if you don't have nothing in here, you just want to come here to feel better. Which is a good thing. It's a good thing.
He is seeing commerce.
He is. He's always like really hype. He's not today.
Are we ready on Osterley?
Ready, Your Honor.
See, let's go back on the record with Mr. Osterley. Mr. Osterley, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea as charged on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence.
Well, Mr. Osterley, you want to take the deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90
Yes,
days
Your Honor.
or $500 in fines.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
I got my burger Saturday.
Yes,
Mr.
Your
Berry,
Honor.
you understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Now, since I don't have a ticket, you have to tell us what you did. Hold on. Let me draw your attention back to December the 12th, 2024 at around 5:39 p.m. in the city of Detroit, area of Woodward and area of 5546 McGraw Avenue. This is 2024. Do you recall anything back on that day?
Yes, Your Honor. I think I was in possession of narcotic paraphernalia.
And what did you have?
A syringe.
And you had syringe, and that was on December the 12th?
Yes, Your Honor.
You said you think, do you know in the area, in the city of Detroit, in the area of 5546 McGraw, do you know that? You recall that?
I do recall that. I know that I had syringe on me on that day.
All right. You satisfied, Mr. Berry?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
This court is satisfied. Find him guilty as charged to drug and narcotics violations. When did you say you'll be getting out, sir?
April 27th.
So if I sentence him to 30 days Wayne County Jail, then my term will end before he's scheduled to get out, right? I can sentence him, yeah, because he's already done 30 days.
Right at the time, sir. I mean, I didn't know what you were gonna, excuse me.
Yeah, all right, let's go. They're talking about a 3-month delay. What's the 3-month delay for if I sentence him to jail term? I'll sentence you 30 days. Wayne County Jail. And I will give you, how long have you been in there? You've been in there since November?
Since November 27th, Your Honor.
Give credit for time served. Well, so that'll basically close this matter out. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. I hope you can defeat that that issue that you have. We want to see you around and sober and being able to contribute to society in a meaningful way. That stuff is bad stuff, and they got some powerful stuff, and I just hope that you can beat it.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it very much.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Were you ready on, Mr. Soroki?
I'm ready on both, Your Honor. As to Andre Green Jr.
City of Detroit versus Andre Lamont Green Jr. Case numbers SP 182-93961, SP 182-9417, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 168-83571, SP 168-88373, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Andre Lamont Green Jr.
Okay. Morning to you, sir. Officer Stepowski appeared. I don't know if he's here now, but he did appear as he was obligated to. What happened? What's going to go on?
Your Honor, the second 3 tickets are duplicates, but going beyond that, my client is not accepting the offer at this time, but he's waiving at this time the jury trial demand, and he's requesting just a bench trial tomorrow by Zoom.
All right, that's what you want to do. Well, yeah, did you put it on the record that he waived those jury trial rights?
We have to put it on the record now, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Yes. That's
go ahead.
Okay, Mr. Green, I spoke to you about your jury trial rights. Is that correct, sir?
Yeah.
And you understand the difference between a jury trial and a trial by judge. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, and you wish to have a trial tomorrow by Judge Perkins, where he listens to the facts and he determines guilt or innocence. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, and that you wish to do it by Zoom. Is that also correct?
Yes.
Thank you.
To me, on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303, and would this be a bench trial now instead of jury?
Well, that's what we're doing now. Mr. Green, do you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, all those questions that Mr. Soroki asked you, do you understand that you have an absolute right to a jury trial, right?
Yes.
And you can waive that right. I just wanted to make sure you understood that waiving that right, you're going to have to go with the trial by judge tomorrow. You understand that?
Yes.
Ms. Horn?
Yes, Your Honor. We did try final pretrial for purposes of the record, Your Honor. The people are offering to amend the charge of reckless driving to careless driving, taking it from a misdemeanor to a civil infraction, and also a deduction of 3 points.
Well, careless driving is what? How many points? 2 or 3?
3, Your Honor.
Well, all right. Now, Mr. Green, lastly, you are doing this freely and voluntarily, correct?
Yes.
That waiver of the jury trial rights. All right. I'm gonna see that Mr. Green understood his rights and he's willing to waive the jury trial rights, and we'll have a bench trial tomorrow. Trial is tomorrow at 9:30. Just get in here early, that's all, and then we'll get you in the queue. We'll give the officers that half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. The officer did show up very early today, so if he shows up early tomorrow and you get here early tomorrow and everybody's here, we can probably get you out of here sooner rather than later. All right, Mr. Green, tomorrow we'll just call it 9 a.m. But if you show up sooner than that, then that'll be better, all right?
Okay. Attorney, my attorney, can I speak with you, please? Like in a
I'll
breakout room
speak
or
with
something?
you afterwards.
Okay.
I'll give you a call. Thank you.
Rejoin the break.
Thanks.
Or do you have his number? Have you guys exchanged
Yes,
numbers?
I have his contact information.
All
Can
right.
he call you, Mr. Soroki, and just call you after the court, after you get out of court today?
Yes.
All right.
Mr. Green,
Thank you.
Mr. Soroki, a call. Be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day. See you in the morning.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's call the city of Detroit.
We have Gregory Alvers ready too, Your Honor. If we can.
Yeah, city of Detroit versus, what are we gonna do with Gregory Oliver?
He's pleading. He's
City of
pleading to
Detroit.
5. Go ahead.
City of Detroit versus Gregory Oliver Jr. Case number SP 137789331, SP 1553815, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1600643, SP 1600653, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1611157, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1615087 and count 2, SP 1626797, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1633877, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1640770, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1643013, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1681665, counts 1 and 2, SP 1699675, counts 1, counts 2, State of Michigan versus Gregory Oliver Jr., case number SX 414747112. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir? Mr. Oliver?
My mic was muted. Gregory Oliver Jr.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time. Well, it was set for a trial last Friday. Well, purposes of arraignment on the warrants, Mr.
Defendant waives formal reading and stands mute at this time, Your Honor.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Soroki, you say you worked out a plea?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Oliver will plead to 5 failure to displays and 5 improper plates, and the remaining 15 tickets will be dismissed.
It's a lot of tickets. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yeah. Could I get an estimate on how much all that would be? As far as funds with the court?
5 times 240 is
1250, 1225. Let's see.
1225 times 2. $2,400 just for the things today. If I find you all of that, plus you owe the court already another close to $3,100.
That's so the ones that I would plead for the amount that will go towards another 3,000.
No, that's a separate 2,400 is on just the ones you're pleading today. If I find you for all of them, and then you owe the court another about a little less than 3,100.
3,100 from previous what tickets?
Previous civil infractions. Yep.
Okay.
It's a big mess.
Yeah.
You want to take the deal, sir?
No, I do want to look over that again. Can I was actually seeing if I could get another date.
All right, we're gonna set a trial date last time.
Can I get a little time just so I can get my license? Because basically recently I caught a charge that's messing with my CNA license, so I'm looking for other fields of work. I do have another job lined up, but I just need a little more time so I can pay that.
Well, you need to $288, no insurance proof. And it'll probably be a little less than that. You have an ink pen?
I can put it on my phone. Well, actually I do. Yeah. Yeah, I got an ink pen.
All right, SX 414-74713. There's a no insurance proof. That's the only thing I can see here that is affecting your ability to get a license.
Okay. So how long would you give me to pay that?
You need to pay that as soon as possible because we're coming back for a trial date on March the 26th.
That's the latest time I can get?
Pretty much. You've already missed your date.
The date. So okay, I'm not gonna make no excuses, but I thought I heard March 10th the last time we was on the phone call. I was looking for March 10th. I had it in my phone and everything. I got like 5 court dates coming up in March. It's a whole bunch of them. I'm trying to fix all of this too. That's why I'm just.
That's why you need to get an ink pen, write stuff down. You got 5 court dates coming up in March. How old are you?
23.
23 years old. And you expect me to feel sorry for you?
No, no.
All right, so
I was asking just so I could get like a later time. That's all. If that was just the latest court date. If that's the latest court date, yeah, I guess I'll take that.
Give you a little bit more time. Come back on April the 9th, 2020. Okay. Pay that. That's the last thing I'm going to do for you. Pay that $288 as soon as you can and go to the Secretary of State. And April the 9th trial date, Mr. Soroki. And,
yes, that's by Zoom.
Pay that $288 as soon as you can. And that I don't know what that's going to do for you because I don't know what those other 5 court dates are. And but it should get you a clearance down here, at least.
If I come back with my license, would you be able to tell me what that would grant me or no?
Oh, it's gonna get you a lot better position. I'll tell you, put you in a lot better position, though.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I figured. Okay, you said April what?
At 9 a.m. Best of luck to you, sir.
Wait, what was that again? April what?
9.
April 9th.
April 9th.
Okay, I'm sorry, your stuff kept cutting out. April 9th at what time?
At 9 a.m. I'll send you an email, a text in the morning anyways.
Okay. Can you send me another one too right now? Just so I have it in my phone.
Okay. All right. Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, you're welcome. Who's the Zoom user, sir? Good morning to you.
How you doing? I woke up a little late. My name is Michael Green.
Not a little late, a whole lot late.
I'm sorry. I apologize.
Everybody's gone now. What's your middle name, Mr. Green?
Deonte, Deonte.
They had all those officers here waiting for you. Come back March the 26th.
March 26th?
At 9 a.m. Don't miss it, sir.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you.
Yes, sir.
Just make sure you're doing this right. So for Andre Green, he's not doing the jury trial tomorrow.
No, he's bench
having a
trial.
trial.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
All right, be safe, Mr. Green.
Yes, sir. You as well.
No, thank you. Miss Medina? Where did she go now? Can we get Miss Medina back in here?
I'll call her right now, Your Honor. I know she's house counsel in Lincoln Park at the moment too, so I'll give her a call right now and let her know she's being called.
All right. What is that? Do you know what they want to do with this case at all?
I believe that it's going to be a plea to the MIP under HIDA 3 months.
All right. Well, we need to get her back in here because she's the last one. Please. And good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
And then Michael Green. Here it is right here. I'm gonna put the date on there. It's a trial.
Andre.
No, Michael Green.
Oh, okay. I might have processed that right. That's the acronym stuff right there.
Okay.
Sorry, Your Honor, I got disconnected and then I was on the record here in Lincoln Park. I apologize.
All right, City of Detroit versus Anthony Garcia Mesa, case number SP 179-50971. Appearance for the record, please.
Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Garcia Mesa. Mr. Garcia Mesa, would you please state your full name for the record, sir?
Anthony Garcia Mesa.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. What does your client want to do, Miss Medina?
Your Honor, my client is prepared to plead guilty to minor in possession. The recommendation is that it be taken under HIDA for a 3-month period, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Medina went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
We draw your attention back to October the 7th, 2025 at around 5:52 p.m. City of Detroit in the area of Berner Highway and Livernois. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
The officer asked you to produce a valid, strike that. Did you, you're fighting a Domino's pizza clerk, sir?
No. What, was he in possession of tobacco? Is that what we're getting to, Judge?
No, I'm asking him.
Your Honor, I'm going to ask him not to answer that, please.
All right.
The assault and battery was just dismissed before Judge Bryant.
Were you in possession of 2 vape pens, sir? I didn't hear you.
Yes, sir.
And how old are you?
Now I am 19.
19. And possession
now.
status. But I think, do you have to be 18 or 21 to smoke?
No, it's 18, Your Honor, but at that time, I think that was, at that time, sir, how old were you?
18, I think, that time. You gotta be 21.
Oh, 21 for that vape, yes.
To be 21, all right.
Yes.
And you had those two vape pens at that time?
Yes, sir.
I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll find him guilty as to the minor in possession and stipulate the probable cause. Will dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, we'll take it under HIDA, 3-month probation, pay $240, June 9th, 2026. You pay the money at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload DivDat up to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse, pay it in person. Those two best ways I can tell you to pay it. And don't get any other trouble between June 9th, just strike that June 9th, and the case will be dismissed, sir. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.